Hello, and welcome to our podcast, Daily English Chat.
Hello, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today.
My name is Mark.
And my name is Lisa.
Today, we are talking about our daily life.
We know that speaking English can be difficult. Many learners feel shy.
Yes, some people feel nervous. They are afraid to make mistakes.
But please do not worry. Today is for you.
Our solution is simple. We will speak slowly. We will use simple sentences.
This will help you build confidence. Just listen and practice with us.
Let's start with our first topic, the morning routine. Lisa, what time do you wake up? I wake up at 8 o'clock. I use a loud alarm clock.
8 o'clock is good. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I like the sun.
That is very early. What is the first thing you do?
I open my window. I look at the trees.
I stay in bed for 5 minutes. Then I get up.
Now let's practice together. Let's practice together. I will say a sentence. Please repeat after me. I wake up early. I open the window. I get out of bed. I feel happy in the morning.
Lisa, I am hungry. Let's talk about breakfast.
Breakfast is very important. I love to make tea.
I know you do. Today you have green tea, right?
Yes, it is very warm. Do you want some?
No, thank you. I am making coffee. I love the smell of coffee.
It smells very fresh. What are you eating?
I am eating eggs and toast. It is very simple.
I am eating yogurt and fruit. It is very healthy.
Now it is your turn to practice.
Please repeat after me. I drink coffee in the morning. I eat eggs and toast. Breakfast is important. The tea is very warm.
After breakfast, it is time to work.
Yes, I go to my small desk. I have my computer there.
I sit in a big, comfortable chair.
Do you work for a long time, Mark?
I work for 4 hours. Then I need a break.
Breaks are good for the brain. I take a break at 10 o'clock.
What do you do during your break?
I wash my face and I drink water.
I get dressed for the day. I wear a t-shirt and jeans.
I wear a sweater. I like to be warm.
Let's practice these words.
Please repeat after me. I work at my desk. I use my computer. I take a break. I wear comfortable clothes.
Now the sun is going down. It is the evening.
This is my favorite time to relax.
What do you do to relax, Lisa?
I like to read. I have a new book about gardens.
Reading is very peaceful. I like to listen to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like slow and calm music. I sit on my sofa and close my eyes.
That sounds very nice. Then we have dinner.
Yes, I cook pasta for dinner. Pasta is my favorite.
I cook rice and vegetables. I love healthy food.
Let's practice evening sentences.
Please repeat after me. I relax on the sofa. I listen to music. I read a good book. I cook dinner for my family.
The day is almost finished. It is time for the night routine.
I get very tired at night.
Me too. A happy day makes me tired.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I turn off all the lights.
I go to bed at 10 o'clock too. I brush my teeth first.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Then I jump into bed. It is very soft.
I sleep very well. I dream about the next day.
Sleeping is very important for our health.
Let's practice our last set of sentences.
Please repeat after me. I am very tired. I brush my teeth. I turn off the lights. I go to sleep at 10 o'clock.
Now we have a special section.
I will ask you a question. Please answer the question out loud.
Do not be afraid. Just speak simply.
Question 1. What time do you wake up?
Question 2. What do you drink in the morning?
Question 3. What is your favorite dinner?
Very good. You are doing a great job.
Yes, practice makes you stronger.
Well, Lisa, that was a wonderful conversation.
I agree, Mark. It was very fun to talk about our daily life.
We hope this helps our friends feel more confident.
To all our listeners, thank you for being here.
If you liked this video, please click the like button.
And please subscribe to our channel for more simple English.
We love reading your comments. Tell us about your routine.
Have a very beautiful and happy day.
Thank you for practicing with us.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.